Okay, going to do a quick review on Adolph Seasoned Tenderizer. This is a 3.5 ounce bottle. You gotta make sure the surface of whatever meat you're wanting to use this on is it's moist. I've been using it. I've been using this soap for years. It's a pretty good little meat tenderizer. Probably. Who the hell is she on the phone with this time of night? Fun of having a teenager in the house. I think she's on the phone downstairs. I'll go deal with it when I get off the phone. Get done with this. Okay. This is a pretty good product to use. Like I said, I've been using it for years. Use on your roast, chicken, pork chops, or whatever meat you're using. It's got a pretty good little taste to it. This bottle's pretty much shot. When I was using it here. It's got a good taste to it. And helps tenderize your meat pretty good before you cook it. So add a little nice little amount to it. It's good. No MSG added to it, so it's salt free, which is good if you got high blood pressure like I do. Yeah, she's definitely on the phone. I can hear her talking to somebody. I have to go down there, take it off here. It's late at night. She shouldn't be on the phone talking to anybody. It's late at night. It's a pretty good little product. Like I said, if you want to tenderize your meat and stuff that you're cooking for dinner, yeah, it's pretty good. It's got a nice little taste and helps tenderize it pretty good. You should be able to find it in most of your grocery stores and department stores that sell groceries and seasonings and herbs. It's called Adolph's Seasoned Tenderizer, 100% natural. And this is the 3.5 ounce bottle of it.